Good afternoon and welcome back to Urban Cake Republic channel on YouTube. What we're going to do today, or what we're going to look at today, is how to make edible lace. And basically here's some I prepared earlier. As you can see, they look lovely and gorgeous and ornate, and they're beautiful on the sides of cakes, no matter what the occasion, from wedding cakes to birthday cakes. They make a beautiful addition, a beautiful decorative pattern on there. But what is so nice about these is that you don't need to spend too much money on them. Rather than spending quite a little bit of money on a small little container, you can make your own. Okay, so what you're going to need first of all are a few mats. I've got a couple here. Bit used, of course. So there's this pattern here, it's quite ornate, you can see, and obviously it's still got a little bit of colouring on there because that's what I used to actually make these ones here on the top. And then for the middle and the bottom I used this lace mat here. There you go, again some beautiful work there. Lovely patterns. And finally something a little bit more finer, and of course this edible lace works with all these kind of mats, so it doesn't matter how detailed your mat is, it doesn't matter, it will go into all those little nooks and crannies, and when you pull it out it will look amazing. The things that you need to make your edible lace are as follows. You're going to need some CMC or tylo powder. You're going to need some icing sugar. You're going to need some cornflour. You're also going to need some hot water, boiling hot water. You're going to need some liquid glucose, and you're going to need some egg white powder. Plus you're going to need a little bit of glycerine. Now all the exact measurements will be posted in the box below, so don't worry if you don't catch it now. Check the box below and you will see. The equipment now you're going to actually need is your palette knife, or you can have a spreader, a lace mat spreader, you can get one of those, but this is perfectly good. You're going to need a fork, household item. You're going to need some measuring spoons, or if you don't have measuring spoons, of course you can use your standard tablespoon and your teaspoon and guesstimate. And of course, you're going to need your bowl to mix up all your ingredients in. Now that we've got everything together, we are ready to make our edible lace mats. And I'll buckle up and see you on the other side.